Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a what I got for my birthday video. As promised, I'm going to be sharing with you all the lovely gifts that my friends and family got me, as well as that Chanel giveaway I mentioned in a previous video as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So I'm going to be starting off with the gifts that my friends got me first, and first up, one of my friends got me a subscription to the New Yorker, which is just the best gift ever. I'm a huge fan of the New Yorker, which I didn't even realize that she knew, and I didn't know you could get print subscriptions in the UK, but apparently you can. So she got me a print and a digital subscription to the New Yorker, and the first issue literally arrived just a few hours ago. I was so excited to get it. This is going to be my evening reading. If you also like reading and you don't read the New Yorker, I'd highly recommend it. They do a collection of essays on a whole bunch of different topics, but it's truly a great read, so I'm so excited about this. And sticking with the same kind of theme, I also got 2 books and a notebook from another friend. We went to uni together and we've just given each other books pretty much ever since. So he got me 2 different books. The first one is We Should All Be Feminists, because he knows I love a good feminist book. And then he also knows that I love American politics, so he got me Fear and Loathing on the Campaign Trail 72. I'm not going to show you the cover because it has quite a graphic image on it, but I've not read it, so I'm very excited too. And then he also got me this beautiful notebook, and I think the print is actually by Cresta Bell. It has Cresta Bell right on the front, and I think that's who did the print. How beautiful is that though? And this is just a lined journal, so super lovely and thoughtful. And my other friend got me a flower arranging course, which I'm so excited about. I've always wanted to do a flower arranging course, but I just never gotten around to it, so I'm so excited. We're all gonna do it together, well, at least the girls are, in spring. We were debating between winter and spring, but we figured that spring will have better flowers, and I feel like I can do like an okay arrangement now, but I've always wanted to take a course just because I think in order to do those really cool looking like professional arrangements, it's actually really tricky, and I've watched tutorials and everything and read books, and it's just really tricky. So hopefully I'll pick up some good tips and tricks, but yeah, I'll probably update on Instagram or something about that, but so crazy excited for that. Next up are the gifts that Dan's mum got me, and she was so sweet and thoughtful. So she got me 2 items from Vera Wang for Wedgwood, which I'm a huge fan of, and she got me, these are both kind of, I guess, entertainment items, so I don't really have a ton of entertainment wear, if that's what you call it, homeware, fancy homeware. We always kind of have her around for Christmas, and I guess she noticed that my ones, which I got fairly cheap from, I don't even remember where, but I have like, you know, napkin holders and things like that, and I didn't spend a ton on them, and I think she maybe picked up on the fact they could do with a little bit of replacing. So one of the things she got me was this beautiful set of napkin holders, and these are so fancy. Ooh, it's a set of 4, and it has the beautiful love knot design, and they're just very simple and elegant, silver in color, but how beautiful are those? And then matching with that are these stunning candlesticks as well, and these are so dainty and gorgeous. It has this beautiful trim all around the bottom, and they're just really long and thin with the love knot again. So pretty, and it's a set of 2. How beautiful is that? So lovely and thoughtful. I can't wait to use these. I feel like I need to host some really nice dinner parties now, but realistically I'm probably going to use them at Christmas, but I'm very excited to have the fanciest table at Christmas. And next up, I'm going to show you something that I actually got myself the other day at Chanel. So I did a little bit of birthday shopping, and I got something from the new collection, which actually came in this really big bag, but it's just an SLG, which I wanted, and it's from the Camelia collection. I've never gotten anything of that kind of print, and I saw this and just loved it. I first saw the line when I was in Vegas. I never really buy anything luxury in the US just because it's always so much cheaper in the UK or in Europe, so I waited it out, and it's actually quite difficult to find. I had to go to 3 different stores, but I eventually tracked it down. And it's just this beautiful little pouch with the Camelia design. And they actually do this, I think, in 2 different shades of pink this season. One is like a matte, more kind of peachy tone, and there's this one which has a kind of pearly finish. So it's a really pretty shade of pink, but it's more of like a dusky pink. And then it's just a simple little pouch which opens up like so, and you have the print all over with silver hardware. I never had this SLG from Chanel before, but I wanted something a little bit bigger because I just seem to have an insane amount of cards at the moment, so I wanted something that I could really fill it up, and I thought this would be absolutely perfect. So Very, very excited about this. This is very much love at first sight, and I found this one at New Bond Street, and they properly had to hunt in the stock room because they're like, I think we have one, but they couldn't see it, and then like 20 minutes later they came back. I was just so excited, so no-brainer for me to get this. How pretty. Next up, I'm going to show you what I got for my mum, and it's also from Chanel. I got this at Heathrow when I was traveling through recently, and this 100% was not on my radar at all, and I have already several iterations of this bag, so I definitely didn't need it. I wasn't looking for it, but then the sales associate pulled it out, and it was just one of those things where it was love at first sight. I was dithering about whether to get it because as I mentioned, I already have several versions of it, and then my mum was like, I'm just gonna give you some money towards it for your birthday, and that's pretty much all the encouragement I needed. So I went for it, and it's just the prettiest thing. So it's the box. And inside is the little card, dust bag, and you'll probably be able to guess what it is from the size of the dust bag. It is a reissue wallet on a chain in this beautiful kind of dusky pink gold hardware combination. Don't have anything from the reissue line, and I very much did not need another wallet on a chain. But as soon as you pull this out, I was just kind of speechless with how beautiful it was. It does have the little kind of turn lock right there. And then on the inside you have the stunning like brushed gold hardware, I think it is, gold chain. So pretty, and then it's just the classic wallet on a chain layout on the inside. So you have the pocket on the front, and then the zipper pocket, and then all the card slots as well. So beautiful. I'm so excited about this, and you know, I've been tempted by the reissue line for a while, but it's always kind of what's held me back is one, the fact that it's very, very pricey, and two, I've just never been sure about the distressed leather, especially because it is quite a smushy bag, and I generally prefer my bags to be a bit more structured. So I love the fact that I do still get that beautiful reissue leather, but on a slightly more structured bag. And I just think this is stunning, so I'm so excited about it. I'm so grateful to my mum for enabling me to get it, putting some money towards it, and yeah, definitely did not need another wallet on chain, but I'm so very, very happy that I have this one. Next up, I'm going to be sharing with you the gifts that I got from Dan, and he was so sweet and got me a few different things this year. So first up, he did get me a perfume from Jo Malone, and I didn't even realise that he knew what perfume I wore, but I think he just snuck into my closet and saw which one was the emptiest, which was this one, and he got me the Peony and Blush Suede, which is by far my favourite perfume pretty much ever. It smells so amazing. I've talked about it several times on this channel, and I just got a travel size version, but my full size version is very rapidly running out. I only have like that much left, so this is amazing, and it's just such an amazing scent, so very, very excited about this. He also got me a bottle of my favourite champagne, which I'm not going to show you now just because it's chilling in the fridge, but surprised me with my favourite rosé champagne, which is always, always very welcome. And then he also got me the most beautiful necklace from Tiffany & Co. So I've already undone all the wrapping, obviously, but I have popped it back in the box. So it comes in the classic little blue box, and then it comes in this beautiful velvet pouch. It's so pretty. And then on the inside is this stunning necklace, and I've actually been wearing this constantly since I got it, but I took it off for this video. It just has a little trio of diamonds, so pretty and dainty. It is quite a short chain, but that's just kind of, I think, Tiffany's standard style now, so it does sit quite high, which I like. I don't, generally speaking, wear super long necklaces, so I love the fact that it sits a bit higher. So yeah, Dan just completely sport me rotten. I absolutely love it. It's just so dainty and sparkly and just everything I love in jewelry. I believe this might come in a few different sizes, but I don't know which one this one is, but if I find out, then I will leave a link for it below if you were interested in it. But I adore it, and as I mentioned, I have been wearing it constantly, so very, very much in love with this. But I do still have 2 more Chanel bags, and both of these are actually giveaway prizes, but they're for 2 separate giveaways because I noticed that you guys really, really prefer very simple giveaway rules. So I decided to split these up, and one of these giveaways is going to be here on YouTube and the other one is going to be on Instagram. So I'm not even sure which one this is. I think this is the Instagram giveaway, so I'm going to show you what I got. And it's something I got the other day on my little birthday shopping trip. It's also from the same collection as my SLG. And inside is a beautiful little card holder. This also has the Camelia print all over with the silver hardware. It has a pocket in the middle, pocket on the front, and 2 pockets on the back. It is so, so pretty. I got the last one. Again, this was another one that was a bit tricky to find, and I'm so glad I did. It's so pretty and stunning. The loveliest shade of kind of a dusky pink with just that slight shimmer to it. So absolutely beautiful, and this is the one that I'm giving away on Instagram. So if you want to be in with a chance of winning this, I will link the giveaway photo that's on my Instagram. The instructions are super easy. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram and then tag 2 friends in the comments of that photo. I will include all instructions and also the direct link to that photo down below in the description section if you did want to check this giveaway out. And now for the second giveaway, which is happening here on YouTube, and this is the one that I showed the other day. I think it was in a vlog, and this is the iridescent coin purse. It's this beautiful beige color with this stunning shimmer. It's so pretty. I think the hardware is a light gold hardware. It just opens up with a very smooth zipper, and then it's just a little kind of wide open space, and you can fit in, you can just about fit in a card and obviously coins and earphones and all that good stuff. So this is so pretty. It is, I don't know if it's caviar or like a grained leather, but it's like very, very durable, so you're not going to have to worry about this scuffing at all. It looks great and it has that beautiful shimmer as well. So if you want to be in with a chance of winning this, then the entry criteria could not be more simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel as the first step, and then comment down below saying that you'd like to enter, and that's all you have to do. So just be subscribed and comment down below so I know that you want to enter. The giveaway is open for 4 weeks, and that's true of both the other card holder on Instagram and also this coin purse. Both giveaways are open internationally, so absolutely anyone can enter, and I will leave all the details down below in the description section. Both winners will be picked at random, and then the respective posts will be updated with the winners, and they will also be private messaged as well. So if you want to find out who won, then check back on both the Instagram post and also this video. But it's a lot to take in, I know, so I will leave all the details in the description section as I mentioned, but this is the one that you can win on YouTube. As I mentioned, just subscribe, comment below, and if you did want to check out the other giveaway happening on Instagram, I will also leave the details for that as well. And I also wanted to mention, in case it wasn't clear, that you're more than welcome to enter both giveaways. I just split them up because people seem to prefer much more simple steps. So if you only wanted to enter the Instagram one, you can do. If you only wanted to enter the YouTube one, also obviously fine. And if you wanted to enter both, that's totally fine as well. But it is only 1 entry per person, so no need to leave multiple comments. It's just 1 entry per person, but you're obviously welcome to enter both giveaways if you wanted to. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me, then leave them down below. And if you're entering the giveaways, good luck. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.